T2 Biosystems stock. Obviously, daily video here on T2. Sitting at 31 cents at the time of this video. I'd say all morning long it's kind of been fluctuating between 30 and 33 cents, which again is relatively the same price we've been kind of seeing it at for this entire trading week. It was started the week maybe like at 28 cents, 25 cents between there, and then it has kind of just fluctuated, like I said. Let's just see, really since yesterday, early or late Tuesday and early yesterday in the market has kind of just been fluctuating around the same price. Again, I just want to reiterate in this video that these things with T2, everything that has going on kind of with T2 Biosystems stock takes time. And I think it's important to, and I've been alluding to it in previous videos on T2, but it's important to remain patient. Like, honestly, I think if you take a look at the month chart here for T2, so many people were buying in here on the way up, anticipating FDA clearance announcement in mid-August, right? People were thinking it was going to go up and run past the dollar, et cetera, et cetera. And then we see it fall off. A lot of people panic selling here, freaking out over the lack of just clarity in regards to T2 and what was going to continue to happen here with this stock. And then, like I said, we're seeing it kind of consolidate a little bit, remain relatively the same price between like 28 cents and 33 cents here. But again, trading volume here continues to be pretty massive. I'd say, again, not as high as it was about a month ago, or I guess 15 days or so ago. But we can see here 29 million trades of T2 in trading volume today. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to reiterate just some points here that I think are very evident and very obvious. I guess those words mean the same thing, but very evident in just the overall outlook, in my opinion, long-term outlook here for T2 Biosystems in 2024 specifically. I just think the adoption of what T2 Biosystems is doing in hospitals worldwide, I feel like there's just, in my opinion, again, I'm not a financial advisor in the slightest bit, but I just feel like what T2 Biosystems is doing here in like a year from now, it doesn't make sense to me that all of the T2 Biosystems and their diagnostic tests won't be in hospitals worldwide, like worldwide. I'm not even talking about just in the United States. I'm talking about worldwide specifically. But let's get into this. So look at this, right? Investment highlights proprietary technology platform with potential to become standard of care in sepsis management, right? So no other company has this type of product. No other company. Proprietary platform, an innovative proprietary technology platform, magnetic resonance, novel sepsis diagnostics, direct from blood ID in 3 to 5 hours, culture independent, large market opportunity, initial target market 2 billion, right? I'm pretty sure I read something that US hospitals spend like $60 billion or something crazy on sepsis care. Established reimbursement. U.S. hospital inpatient testing is covered. The DRG payment system. Robust product pipeline. The BARDA contract may fund up to $62 million. We know T2 has partnership, or not, I don't want to call them partnerships, but they, I mean, kind of like partnerships. Like, it's not like official, but like they have literal relationships with government entities, government health entities, right? The CDC has talked about recently numerous times about looking to create better sepsis programs in U.S. hospitals, right? The BARDA contract, commercial focus on global hospital market, guys. This is not just going to be in the U.S., right? We know that the healthcare system in the U.S. is a lot different than other parts of the world, and other parts of the world's healthcare system is a lot different than the United States, right? But think about like countries that don't have great hospital systems and things like that. I mean, we talk about sepsis and how it affects many people in the United States, but also at the same time, you can imagine sepsis and the impact it's having on third world countries and things like that. So again, pause the video, check this out. I think this also speaks volumes. This is, well, the only FDA cleared direct from blood sepsis test. Now I feel like I reiterate similar things in all the T2 Biosystems videos, but like, you just have to, like, I can't not look at stuff like this and not get excited as far as just my investment, right? Like, if you have an investment in T2 and you do believe in it, and most likely you hopefully did your own research to get that position in T2, you have to have seen stuff like this and become bullish, right? 3 to 5 hours, no sample preparation, ultra-sensitive T2MR technology is not inhibited by prior antimicrobial administration. The T2 candida, the T2 bacteria, and the T2 resistance, right? All three are part of the T2 Biosystems pipeline. Sensitivity, look at this. Just, I mean, I don't even know what any of these are. Let's be honest. I don't know what any of these are. I don't know what any of these are. I don't know what any of these are. All right, the T2 candida is FDA cleared. The bacteria is FDA cleared, and the T2 resistance is U.S. clinical trial. Okay, we're waiting for that 510 application FDA clearance from the FDA in regards to the T2. So keep that in mind. I mean, in regards to these products in the pipeline. So keep that in mind, you guys. Again, shout out to Shelly, by the way. Shelly goes on Twitter. She's been putting out bangers of research and analysis on Ttoo stock. I recommend going to check her out on Twitter. But you can see here, investors have already had it figured out days earlier that they were in perfect direction towards month close with the current month to date of 112% compared to low dips the last couple of days. And just for awareness sake, September is a sepsis awareness month. And so obviously I have to mention that Ttoo Biosystems solely and exclusively has the only FDA cleared direct from blood sepsis tests. Right here, sepsis awareness month, September 2022. So even I was wrong about this. I thought sepsis awareness month was August. Like, just face what I seen. I guess I never essentially Googled it. But sepsis awareness month is in September. And what I have alluded to in the previous two videos on T2, if you watch them, right, someone was saying on Stock Twits that, or someone said on Stock Twits that the FDA has received the 510 application, and the team at Ttoo stock is expecting a positive outcome. People have also said that September 5th could be a possible day, or shortly after September 5th could be a possible day for an FDA announcement or something like that. And then just wanted to share this as well, right? This is a link from idse.net, which I'll open in a new tab, right? And this is T2 Bio's like official Twitter. I think diagnostic uncertainty drives a lot of the problem when providers are not sure what the problem is. Dr. Lewis, read this article in IDSE online to learn more about potential solutions in the growing burden of antimicrobial resistance. Right? This is like IDSE, infectious disease special edition website. Like this website doesn't care about stocks. Like, this website doesn't care about the price of Ttoo Biosystems. Right? They're putting out this information just on their own. Right, their own publication, like they're not doing anything. This is not PR for Ttoo Biosystems at all or anything like that, right? But this is talking about the silent pandemic remain out of reach, talking about sepsis, right? Sepsis. Infectious disease experts warn once again the stress of importance of having growing microbial resistance AMR, aiming to drive action to confront this growing threat and increase the, I don't even know, armamentarium of antimicrobials. Okay, and that is specifically what Ttoo Biosystems is targeting and looking to have a resolution or have an impact in, or I don't even know what the right word is here, but AMR played a role in almost 5 million deaths in 2019 worldwide, directly resulted in an estimate 1.727 million deaths. The dean of Tufts University School of Medicine, right? One of the most significant health crises of our time, urgently needing solutions. This is from the Tufts University School of Medicine. Tufts, one of the best med schools in the country. One of the most significant health crises of our time, urgently needing solutions. Okay? If nothing is done to address AMR, the World Health Organization predicts the annual death toll from resistance infections will be 10 million people by 2050. Okay? Take that all in, guys. Take that all in. I just want to reiterate again, I am not telling you to go take a significant amount of your bank account and put it into T2. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm just giving you information on why I'm bullish. That's it. So make sure you guys are doing your own research before investing. Any stock under $1, any stock in general, not any stock in general, but any stock under $1 has volatility, you guys. Has volatility. They will continue to have volatility until it reaches a certain price point. Again, keep that in mind. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about T2. Please drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.